Binance Launchpool has started a new project. By using your idle BNB and FDUSD assets in your Binance wallet, you can earn free AEVO tokens. The only thing you need to do is to stake your funds in the Launchpool for 5 days. Although the announcement has been made, the AEVO participation page has not yet been opened. To access the participation page, you will need to click on the More button and select the Launchpad Launchpool option. After this step, if you have BNB or FDUSD in your account, simply press the stake button. AEVO will be listed on Binance on March 13th, and you will be able to sell the tokens you earn. There will be 30,000 AEVO tokens in the BNB pool and 7,500 AEVO tokens in the FDUSD pool. AEVO has large investors like Coinbase and Kraken. It is a project where we can engage in futures trading. AEVO is built on a private L2 based on the OP stack, providing high security and performance while taking over Ethereum's security. For more detailed information about the project, you can visit the website and follow their social media accounts. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you in the next video.